Friends Live Update।
गुड इवनिंग कोलकाता 91.9 फ्रेंड्स एफएम। मेरा नाम है निमेश और मैं आप सभी के लिए इस वक्त बिल्कुल लाइव रिपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ नेताजी इंडोर स्टेडियम से, जहां पर इस वक्त चल रहा है स्टार स्पोर्ट्स प्रो कबड्डी सीजन 4 कोलकाता लीग का तीसरा दिन है आज। और हमारे साथ इस वक्त नन अदर देन वेरी टैलेंटेड सुहेल चांदक, जिनके साथ हमारी बातें होने वाली है। इन्हें कहा जाता है इंडिया के ये यंगेस्ट मेल इंग्लिश कमेंटेटर हैं। तो सुहेल के साथ हमारी बातें होने वाली है। सुहेल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू योर 91.9 फ्रेंड्स एफएम।
थैंक यू गाइस, गुड टू बी हियर।
सबसे पहले आपसे जानना चाहूंगा आज के मैच के बारे में। बंगाल वॉरियर्स की टीम जो है वो भिड़ने वाली है तेलुगु टाइटंस के साथ बस से थोड़ी देर में। क्या लग रहा है क्या होने वाला है आज के इस मैच में?
एक्चुअली मुझे लग रहा है कि आज भी एक अपसेट हो सकते हैं। यू नो, व्हेन वी केम टू कैलकाटा वी वांटेड द बंगाल वॉरियर्स टू चेंज the way their season has gone, and it was good to see the start that they had. The trouble is they've come up against two very good teams. Patna Pirates are a top team, and tonight also coming into this game, Telugu Titans have 4 wins on the trot, so it's not going to be easy. But let's see, hopefully they give the home crowd something to cheer about.
सर, आपने बहुत नजदीक से देखा है क्योंकि आप कमेंट्री बॉक्स में हमेशा नजर आ रहे हैं। आपको यंगेस्ट मेल इंग्लिश कमेंटेटर कहा जाता है। कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इतना बुरा इस बार जो बंगाल वॉरियर्स खेल रही है, क्यों, क्या रीजन हो सकती है सर?
You know, जब सीजन शुरू हुआ था, you know, at that point I thought the Bengal Warriors will be a top 4 team for sure, you know, and coming into the season, on paper they look like a very, very strong side. So for me, it's quite disappointing to see the way they've unraveled, because the defense, which has been the Bengal Warriors' strong point every season, has been their weak link in the first half. So for me, that's been a little bit of a disappointment, you know, advanced tackles, rush tackles. But yeah, it's been a special experience for me to be there. I was there at the very first ever game of Pro Kabaddi, and I've been there with every opening game and every final. So, you know, it's been an absolute privilege.
स्टार स्पोर्ट्स प्रो कबड्डी सीजन 4 1, 2, 3 के सक्सेस के बाद चौथा जो है सीजन जो है वो चल रहा है। आपने बहुत नजदीक से देखा है। क्या लग रहा है फ्यूचर ऑफ कबड्डी क्या है सर कोलकाता में, इंडिया में?
The future of kabaddi is very bright. I think, you know, we're seeing a lot more global audience coming in as well. I got messages from Switzerland last week. I got messages from Germany. There are people sitting in a pub in Switzerland watching this. In England, people are watching. Australia, people are watching and starting to play it as well. And, you know, so I think it's very encouraging. And I think the numbers and the eyeballs that are coming to kabaddi on TV every night are huge. And, you know, the sport is growing. The sport is getting more organized. And I think that's what is required to encourage more sports and new sports in India. So I'm happy.
मैं बता दूं कि सुबह से ही बातें हुई थी कि आपके साथ हमारी फ्रेंड्स में बिल्कुल लाइव बातें होगी। बहुत सारे ट्विटर पे हमारे आपके लिए ट्वीट्स आए हैं, फेसबुक पर हमारे ऑफिशियल फेसबुक पेज पे बहुत सारे सवाल आए हैं। 2-3 मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगा। बहुत सारे लोग जानना चाह रहे हैं, आप प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर रह चुके हैं, आप आईपीएल को आपने कमेंट्री की है, आपने हॉकी की कमेंट्री की है, आपने फुटबॉल की कमेंट्री की है, कबड्डी की कबड्डी कर रहे हैं। व्हाट नेक्स्ट? इसके बाद और बचा क्या?
You know, I've grown up in a family of sport. My brother's a former Formula 1 driver, racing driver as well. And, you know, for me, it runs in my veins. I love sport. I've grown up playing every sport, and I was a professional cricketer in Australia and England and here. And for me, it's just something I love doing it, you know. And I wake up every morning thinking I don't have a job. You know, I do something I love and I get paid to do something I love. So I don't treat it like a job, and I look forward to a lot more exciting stuff. I'm doing some cool stuff on Periscope and Twitter as well. So where I'm talking to a lot of lovely sportsmen and industrialists from across India. So there's lots to look forward to. I think the plans going forward are going to be quite exciting. I think there's some new stuff coming up. I don't want to reveal too much, but there's more of kabaddi coming up at the end of the year, something exciting which we can't yet talk about. But you know, like you said, I've done football, kabaddi, hockey, motorsport, and you know, and I think I love that variety. So hopefully there'll be a lot more variety coming up from me as well.
अच्छे कमेंटेटर में क्या क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए, क्वालिटीज क्या होनी चाहिए?
Awareness hona hai. I think the number one thing is awareness and flexibility, because as a live commentator you can never go with a script, and that's the beauty of it. You know, I think live sport changes by the second, by the minute, and you have to be able to change with the sport. And you know, if you are going in with a stuck mind and a one track that you've got, you can't quite succeed. You have to be able to enjoy what you're doing and tell a story. You have to paint a picture and tell a story. And the key thing, and for me the most important thing, is to be able to give the viewer more than what they're able to see on air. They can already see a picture. If you're just telling them what's there, well, that's not really doing your job. You have to give them more than what they're able to see, and I think that is a hallmark of a good commentator.
Monday evening, near about 40 lakhs of people are listening to you on Cheers Kolkata right now. हमारे शो का नाम है Cheers Kolkata. कोलकाता की 2 चीजें जिसे देखकर आप कहोगे Cheers Kolkata.
I love the food, Mishti Doi. I have to come here every time and eat Mishti Doi. And over the last 3 days, all 3 days for lunch, I've gone out and had Bengali food, and I love the fish here. I love the food and the sporting culture. You know, it's a city that I love because every time I come, you know, Eden Gardens gives me goosebumps. It's a city that I love for just the culture, the heritage, and the sporting love. You know, and it's a city that keeps me coming back. There's an old world charm, and I love Calcutta. It's just, you know, I still call it Calcutta because for me, it still is that. And yeah, it's a city I hope to keep coming back to, and I keep feeling the love from all the sports fans as well.
कहते हैं जो लोग आपको सुन रहे हैं उन सभी से कुछ कहते आइए.
Just to keep listening in, I think Kabaddi is growing, sport is growing in India. I hope you all keep enjoying sport and keep promoting it, talking to each other about sport in India, and send me your tweets, send me your love, and we'll talk about sport together and keep going forward.
Thank you so much sir हमारे साथ बातें करने के लिए, फ्रेंड्स एफएम को समय देने के लिए. All the best and you are the best.
Thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure. Great to have been here with you guys on radio.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's all from here. Back to studio.